The internet. Home of memes, silly people, useful and useless things, information, and games. 4 years behind the PSP, and the DS finally got online capability at the cost of being region locked and no more GBA support. Enter the Nintendo DSi. Hi, Pedro here, and today we're going to be installing the Gamer's Antiquity USB-C mod for the Nintendo DSi. You'll see more of this guy as it fits more than just a DSi. Links to get this mod are in the description. We have my least favorite trim to do, as well as a new insert to get the job done. Don't forget to like the vid and subscribe for more. Let's see those 5 volts real quick. Any USB-C adapter supporting 5 volts will work. All set. Now for the teardown. So long, screws! Now open up. Just don't pull it apart too quickly, because there's a ribbon cable we need to look out for. Continue with carefully unclipping the various ribbon cables, 4 screws, the clip for the battery board, and the Wi-Fi module. Time to remove the power port nice and easy. That's the stuff. Now, clean the pads. Now we're ready to install the mod. Like the mod for the OG DS, we have solder pads to align with the board to secure it in place. Use a little tape to hold the alignment and solder one pad in place. The board for the mod should be nearly flush with the motherboard. Solder paste makes this part pretty easy. Finally, solder 3 pins to complete the install. We can begin partial reassembly before getting to the shell trimming. Now we need to get a rough fit to see how much we need to trim from the sides to make the hole bigger. Instead of the usual file, I'll use my Dremel to see how it turned out. We also need to trim the inner plastic for the USB-C port. Unscrew the clip holding the shoulder button in place and unscrew the board held in place, but leave the board alone. Place the printed insert over the board and screw it in place. Now take the block for the battery cover screw and super glue it in place as we remove the cover that held it in there. Check a test fit before wrapping things up. It's a pretty solid fit. Overdid it with the Dremel a little, but good overall. Time to test our work. Love that charging light.
Hello.
Little guy powers on and is ready to learn English. Let me know if that's something that you'd like to see me do down in the comments below, as well as your thoughts on the mod. See you next time. Thanks for watching.